Hello and welcome back to my kitchen, everyone. Today is Saturday, so you know I like to keep it simple. And today I'm going to show you how to make a little gift of olives with orange and fennel. So it's perfect for a gift, but it's also great if you want to just use it as an appetizer, maybe like on a charcuterie board or something like that. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, my name is Cheri, and if you love food and fun like I do, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below. You can find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. So this is really, really easy. So I have a can of olive here, olives, not olive. This is not one olive, this is a bunch of olives. So I have these olives here and I've already rinsed and drained them. So I'm just gonna transfer them into like a little mason jar. Any kind of jar with like a tight fitting lid will work. And then in my little, is this a mortar and pestle? Mortar and pestle. Pestle and mortar. Mortar, pestle, I think. So I've got just a couple of teaspoons of, these are fennel seeds here. I absolutely love fennel seeds. It's like one of my favorite things in the world. I love adding this to like spaghetti sauce, pizza, anything Italian. So I don't want to crush these up all the way, but I just want to kind of lightly crush. That would be the word, lightly crush. All right, so I'm going to add those. This smells good. I'm going to add these to my olives. And then I've got a couple of bay leaves that I'm just going to throw in here. So just like, I'm going to tuck them down on the sides, I think. Maybe one on each side. There we go. Then we need a few, I already peeled one, but I wanted to see how big this peeler was going to make this zest here. So we just need about maybe 3 of these, maybe 4. Maybe we'll do 4. Whoa. I'm going to try to do this again where they're not so thick because I really don't want the bitterness of the pith in there. Pull out the thin ones here and throw them down in there. There we go. We'll save these for later. Maybe I'll make some potpourri or something. All right, then I've got some olive oil here. And we're just going to fill this up. There we go. And we're going to replace the lid. So I couldn't decide how I wanted to decorate this. And the other day we had a mason jar and I think we put some fabric like under the lid. So today I thought instead of doing fabric under the lid, I'm going to do it around the jar. So I've just got some burlap here. I'm actually upcycling again, I guess. I still don't know if the difference. I guess upcycling is when you make something out of it and recycle is just when it just gets recycled maybe. Anyway, so this is what I did a couple years ago. I made these little ornaments. I just covered them with burlap and I did like kind of like a country theme. So I can reuse this and we're just going to put this right around the jar like that. And I've got a little bit of jute here or twine you can use. You can use ribbon. I'm just going to tie a knot here. And, oh, here's my tag. I knew I had a tag I was going to put on here. Okay, so I have like a little, what would you call that? Brown. I'm trying to think of like what paper this is. It's like a paper bag, sort of. Anyway, I've got my inks here and I've got a little stamp and this says, "These are the days of imagination and joy for us all." I don't know if I would exactly agree with that at this time. At this time right now, but it is Christmas and it's still a time for giving, a time for forgiveness, a time for peace. So we're going to stamp that on there and I didn't do the best job of stamping it, but you get the idea, right? So you can use any kind of stamp you have. If you have some Christmas stamps or anything. And then I'm just going to tie my little tag on here. Whoops. And try not to bend it up. We'll tie this in a little bow. And there you go. How cute is that? Right? So you guys got to give this one a try. Why? Because it's so easy. It's so easy. It's inexpensive. And it's very, very quick. I mean, we did that in like less than 5 minutes, right? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I will see you again tomorrow with another gift recipe. Bye.